Hello po, gagawa po tayo ng spicy gourmet tuyo at papakita ko po sa inyo ang ingredients na aking gagamitin. Dried fish or tuyo, siling labuyo, red chili pepper at paprika, garlic, bay leaves and peppercorn, carrots, vinegar, sugar, mushrooms, palm oil, olive oil, at lemon. Cut off the heads and fry the tuyo in hot oil over high heat until the scales start to come off a bit. Remove the scales and soft parts. For gourmet syrup, we are going to use palm oil. Fry only 1/4 of the total garlic amount for toppings later. Once golden brown and crispy, remove from the pan and set aside. Going back to our wok, pour olive oil. While oil is not yet scorching hot, integrate the remaining sliced garlic. Add carrots, bay leaves, whole peppercorns, and paprika as well. Add vinegar and sugar. The chilies too. I highly suggest for you to chop 3 to 5 pieces of these to immediately get a nicer kick. Lastly, the mushroom. To give your preserved goods a long shelf life, sterilize your jar. Now let's put our dried fish and gourmet syrup inside the jar. This is my finished product.